Problem 7. Problem 7 considers the matrix A. A is 2, K minus 2, 3, K. Okay, A states all the values of K for A to be invertible. Okay, A is invertible if and only if the determinant, okay, this means if and only if the determinant of A is not 0. Okay, this is always true. So we can just calculate the determinant of A. Right, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Again, this is only true for a 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is what? It's AD minus BC. Okay, it's AD minus BC. So the determinant of A is 2 times K minus K minus 2 times 3. Right, so it is 6 minus K. Right, so the conclusion is that when K is not 6, when K is not equal to 6, A is invertible. Right? When K is not equal to 6, A is invertible. Okay, part B. Suppose A is invertible, find the solution of the simultaneous equations. So 2x plus K minus 2y is equal to 4, and 3x plus ky is equal to 5. Okay. So I think you already know how to solve this, but here we can use the matrix to help us simplify the calculation. So how do we simplify? First, you can put all the coefficients together. Okay, you can put all the coefficients together. And then multiply x and y. Okay, which is equal to 4 and 5. Which is equal to 4 and 5. All right, you already know this matrix, we call it A. We already know this matrix is invertible. And here is what we can do. We can left multiply A inverse on both sides. Okay, we can left multiply A inverse on both sides. Right, then A inverse times A is what? It's I. Right, A inverse times A, it's I. It's by the definition of inverse matrix, and it's equal to here A inverse times 4, 5. Okay. Then I times any matrix is the matrix itself. So I times xy is still xy. Okay, what about A inverse? Right, we already know A, so we can apply the formula. Right, we can apply the formula. A inverse is 1 over, okay, 2 times K, right, let me write it down, 2 times K minus K minus 2 times 3. Okay, AD change position and BC change sign, okay, times 4, 5. Okay, BC times 4, 5. So here, this bottom is 6 minus K, 1 over 6 minus K. Okay, and then here, this part is this times this, right, which you can do the calculation by yourself. It's 4K minus, it's 9K minus 10. Okay, here bottom it's negative 12 minus 10, so it's negative 22. Or is it? No, it's 2, right? Okay, so this is a result. Right, then part C. When state the value of k for which there are no solutions to the simultaneous solutions. Right? And the idea is very simple. Only when k is 6, right? When k is 6, this formula doesn't apply anymore. So as long as k is not 6, we can find a solution. So when k is 6, there's no solution. Okay? When k is 6, there's no solution. All right. Do you have any questions about this part?